Hey, this is Ketogenic Jim, and I just had a perfectly good dinner, and I'm slightly low on my protein, so what I want to do is make a good dessert. It's going to be a chocolate mug cake. You can make it in less than about 5 minutes right out of the microwave. Okay, what we're going to need first is 2 teaspoons of butter, and then you melt it in the microwave. Okay, our butter is melted. Now we're going to use 1 teaspoon of Truvia. Really, it's to taste. I'm going to add a little bit extra because my chocolate isn't what I like. I'm going to mix that in, let the butter and the Truvia or erythritol, really whatever you're using, and let that meld together. Then you're going to add 3 teaspoons of almond flour, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, two heaping teaspoons of cocoa powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, enough really to make it fluff up. And 1 egg. You mix this all together, and that is your batter. Okay, what I've gotten used to doing lately is just have a little bit of butter, kind of get a little sliver. Oh, don't worry, my tabletop is clean, countertop. And just kind of sit that right in the center. And then microwave it for about 50 to 60 seconds. Okay, there you have it, your keto dark chocolate mug cake. I put that little bit of butter and it melts as it expands, and what that does, it kind of gives it a bit more moistness. I'm working on a ketogenic custard that'd be really good for it. But until then, I'm really satisfied with the butter. If you like my videos, like my recipes, please give a like and subscribe. If you want to get notified on when any new videos come out, hit the notification bell. Also, check out my Instagram. It's the same name as my YouTube channel, Ketogenic Jim. And I'm going to be adding a Twitter and Facebook following too on top of that. I'd love to hear from you. Give me some recipe ideas that you want me to try to figure out. I'm very good at working things through and making up whole new recipes. Thank you very much, and you have a great day, and enjoy this mug cake.